Yemen, officially the Republic of Yemen. Yemen's constitutionally stated capital is the city of Sana'a. But the city has been under Houthi rebel control since February 2015, as well as Aden, which is also controlled by the Southern Transitional Council since 2018. Its executive administration resides in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. In ancient times, Yemen was the home of the Sabaeans, a trading state that included parts of modern-day Ethiopia and Eritrea. In 275 CE, later the Jewish-influenced Himyarite kingdom, Christianity arrived in the 4th century. Islam spread quickly in the 7th century, and Yemenite troops were crucial in the early Islamic conquests. Several dynasties emerged in the 9th to 16th centuries, such as the Rasulid dynasty. The country was divided between the Ottoman and British Empire in the 1800s. The Zaidi Mutawakkalite Kingdom of Yemen was established after World War I before the creation of the Yemen Arab Republic in 1962. South Yemen remained a British protectorate as the Aden Protectorate until 1967, when it became an independent state and later a Marxist-Leninist state. The two Yemeni states united to form the modern Republic of Yemen in 1990. President Ali Abdullah Saleh was the first president of the new republic until his resignation in 2012 in the wake of the Arab Spring. Since 2011, Yemen has been in a state of political crisis, starting with street protests against poverty, unemployment, corruption, and President Saleh's plan to amend Yemen's constitution and eliminate the presidential term limit. President Saleh stepped down and the powers of the presidency were transferred to Abdrabbu Mansur Hadi. Since then, the country has been in a civil war with several proto-state entities claiming to govern Yemen. The Cabinet of Yemen, Supreme Political Council and the Southern Transitional Council. At least 56,000 civilians and combatants have been killed in armed violence in Yemen since January 2016. The war has resulted in a famine affecting 17 million people. The lack of safe drinking water, caused by depleted aquifers and the destruction of the country's water infrastructure, has also caused the largest, fastest-spreading cholera outbreak in modern history, with the number of suspected cases exceeding 994,751. Over 2,226 people have died since the outbreak began to spread rapidly at the end of April 2017. The ongoing humanitarian crisis and conflict has received widespread criticism for having a dramatic worsening effect on Yemen's humanitarian situation, that some say has reached the level of a humanitarian disaster, and some have even labeled it as a genocide. It has worsened the country's already poor human rights situation. Yemen belongs to the least developed country group, referring to its numerous, severe structural impediments to sustainable development. In 2019, the United Nations reported that Yemen is the country with the most people in need of humanitarian aid, about 24 million people, or 85% of its population. As of 2020, the country is placed the highest in the Fragile State Index, the second worst in Global Hunger Index, surpassed only by the Central African Republic, and has the lowest Human Development Index out of all non-African countries. It is a member of the Arab League, United Nations, Non-Aligned Movement and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The term Yamna was mentioned in old South Arabian inscriptions on the title of one of the kings of the Second Himyarite Kingdom, known as Shama Yarish II. The term probably referred to the southwestern coastline of the Arabian Peninsula and the southern coastline between Aden and Hadramaut. The historical Yemen included much greater territory than the current nation, stretching from northern Asir in southwestern Saudi Arabia to Dhofar in southern Oman. One etymology derives Yemen from Ymt, meaning south, and significantly plays on the notion of the land to the right. Other sources claim that Yemen is related to Yam or Yuman, meaning felicity or blessed, as much of the country is fertile. The Romans called it Arabia Felix, as opposed to Arabia Deserta. Latin and Greek writers referred to ancient Yemen as India, which arose from the Persians calling the Abyssinians whom they came into contact with in south Arabia by the name of the dark-skinned people who lived next to them. Viz. The Indians. With its long sea border between Eastern and Western civilizations, Yemen has long existed at a crossroads of cultures with a strategic location in terms of trade on the west of the Arabian Peninsula. Large settlements for their era existed in the mountains of northern Yemen as early as 5000 BCE. The Sabaean kingdom came into existence at least the 11th century BCE. The four major kingdoms or tribal confederations in South Arabia were Sabah, Hadramaut, Qataban, and Ma'in. Sabah is thought to be biblical Shebar and was the most prominent federation. The Sabaean rulers adopted the title Muqarrib generally, though